Hello friends, welcome back. Let's look at if error function. Now, whenever there is an error in particular function, the error that we get is something like NA or division error. So basically, if error function in Excel handles errors in formulas, returning a specified value if an error occurs and the formula's actual result otherwise. It helps prevent messages like NA or division by 0 from appearing and provides a cleaner display. To understand this, if you look at the way we have worked with the last video here, we have created is equal to index, and then we looked at the entire array of the data and we'll use the match functions. Okay. Now, if this entire function returns something which is not available, if the data is not available, then what we can do is we can put this entire function or the formula inside if error. Okay, let me show you this. So we are heading back to our last video, what we did here. Like if you remember when we put the data here, for example, here if I put bottles, okay, you got 3444, which is correct. For bottles in month of June, the sales is 3444. That's fine. Now, suppose if I put some data which is not available, like for example, if I write laptop. Now for laptop, there is no data. So it's giving a NA. And that is the point. If you don't want to show NA, but if you want to show a meaningful message, then what we have to do is this entire function or formula, you have to put it in the if error. So let us do that. So here you have to just go and start with if error and tab it. Now you see what happened is this entire formula has got inside if error. Now one more thing you can observe here is that the bracket is black color here. And then here if you see the bracket is red color, which means there is an opening bracket but there is no closing bracket. So you have to come here and close the bracket. Now it is perfect. And one more thing we have to do is put a comma after the red bracket and in double quotes give your custom message. So let us write here custom message, which is, let's say, data not found. Data not found. That's it. Now press enter. Now obviously for laptop you will get data not found. And suppose if I go for tables, which is the table, tables is available, right? Now it gives the data which is 4122. But if I write some data which is not available, okay, for example mouse. Now mouse is not available. It gives data not available. So it's very quick. But you must do it yourself to get confidence. So let me explain once again. What we did now is we started with if error, and if error we have given the entire formula, then comma, and then we have given the statement in double quotes. So please concentrate at it very carefully and do all these steps yourself. So let us take the next one in the next video. Thank you.